Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to insert image in ChatGPT. To insert an image in ChatGPT, first of all open up the ChatGPT application and then from the home page, go to the bottom of the screen and tap the little plus button. In the pop-up, click on Photos. This will then take you to your device's camera roll. Select a photo you would like to insert in ChatGPT and click on Add at the top right. Now you will be able to upload the image. You can then ask anything about the image. You can also write down a message or question related to the image. For example, I'm just gonna ask, how is this image? And then tap the send button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, ChatGPT will analyze your photo and it will give you the response according to your question. And that's how you can easily do it. This feature is perfect for analyzing photos, reading charts, or getting help with screenshots. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.